Hey guys, and welcome back to Blue Mountain Radios. Today we have a TK-760HG-1. It has a no power up issue, so if we connect the power, it doesn't do nothing. We hit the on button, nothing. The reason why this is a no power up is because it's using ignition sense to look for power coming through this accessory port before it turns on the radio. So that means the board on the back side, not this is the top side, so if we flip it over, on the back side here has been modified. What's been modified is that a 0-ohm resistor R134 has been removed. So we take this top off here. Oh, come on. And it's a little stuck. So we give it a little nudge in the right direction here. There we go. Now we're going to try to get a picture. So if you can see, come on, stay focused on me. See where it says R134 and points down right here? There is nothing in that spot. You can tell because the 133 is right here, and that one has no, the 134 has nothing in there. So what does that mean? That means we just put a 0-ohm resistor right there, get our heat gun, make the heat gun mount it onto the board, and after that, we'll have a radio that powers up. And we'll no longer need ignition sense, which is this accessory cable right here. So let's get started. First things first, put a bunch of flux down. By a bunch, I mean a little dollop. We take our 0-ohm resistor I have right here and smash it down. Take our heat gun, and then we're just going to heat it up, hold it into place. Hold it 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's solid. There you go. Now to clean up the flux, we use our static nylon brush with some 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now we can slide this back on, screw it back together, get our power cord here, and listen for the beep. Ready? And it's turned on. Can we take a look at it? Buttons don't seem to work. There we go. Volume buttons don't seem to work. On, off button does. On. And now we have a radio that no longer needs to use this accessory plug to have ignition sense enabled. Essentially, this plug is now useless in my eyes, so we will go ahead and remove it. Oh, don't forget to unplug the radio. We lift up the power cord, which will give us this. And this is connected in 3 different spots. So we got one here, and one down here. So all you gotta do is lift them up one by one and go ahead and toss it. I don't like those. I don't sell any radios with those accessory plugs plugged in. There we go. And now we just screw this back down. And voila. You now have one working TK-760 that no longer needs ignition sense. Let me know down in the comments what kind of radios and modifications you want to see me remove from radios. If you enjoyed this short little video, go ahead and like and subscribe. And enjoy your day. Have a good one.